Hello my lovelies, how are you all? I hope you all are doing extremely well. Welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista, and if you are new here, I am Manisha. On my videos I talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So this video is all about a jewellery haul. I'm going to show you a little bit of my jewellery which I have purchased recently, and I'm also going to do some chit chat. So let's get into the video. So as I have told you that this video is all about a jewellery haul, as I have already shared about a store called Mr. DIY. Recently visited that store once again. So I have purchased some of the jewellery from there. Some of the jewellery I have purchased from street shopping, like from a local market, from my local place. So I'm going to show you that as well. And jewellery starts from 20, 30 till 150. So this is really inexpensive collection of jewellery. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. And let me tell you about the store if you don't know. The store is all about, little mini things, as if you have ever visited to Miniso, so kind of Miniso. But here also the products are very inexpensive, lot of quality and quantity, and products starts from home decor to beauty products, baking, cooking, everything is there in that store, and they all are very inexpensive. But especially it is called DIY because there they have all stationery which you require for DIY. So that is what all about this DIY store. And I've also done shopping through a local market where I stay. So I am going to show you all of it. Let me share this also, that if you are following me from starting of my channel, everybody know that I love makeup, beauty, fashion. I really like wearing finger rings and I really like wearing earrings. Initially क्या होता था, when I was in school or college, I only used to wear studs or even tops जो कहते हैं छोटे. उसके अलावा I never used to wear big earrings. I don't know why. I felt that it doesn't suits me, or that was not my taste that time. But I don't know how come suddenly this change came into me about jewellery. I got obsessed about jhumkas and big earrings, statement earrings, a finger ring. I was in love from starting only from school or college, but झुमका हो या बड़े इयरिंग्स हो मैं कभी नहीं पहना करती थी. आई डोंट नो, आई फेल्ट दैट मुझे सूट नहीं होता है या मुझ पे अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं. बट शादी के बाद एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज. सो आई डू हैव लॉट ऑफ ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन. एथनिक हो, ऑक्सीडाइज्ड ज्वेलरी हो, नॉर्मल statement neck pieces हो. So some other time I'll show you my collection, but this is what I want to show, whatever I have purchased recently. So yeah, let me start. I'll start wearing and showing you off, so that will be better. This is one of the earring which I'm wearing. This is an old earring, not from this purchase, but I just want to show you the statement earring. I've tried this new makeup. I've done some curl in my hair, so I've tried some new look for my hair and my eye makeup. I've done some little bit of smoky from kajal and dark eyeshadow. So this is what my entire eye makeup turned out. So if you like it or not, just comment down below and let me know how does it looks on me. So the first piece is oxidized jewellery with this tassels. This is a silver jewellery and earrings. I love wearing oxidized jewelleries a lot, and this costed me around 150 or 120. So it's really inexpensive and it's very unique, very nice and elegant. So I'll just start to wear and show you. So this is how the neck piece looks like. ये actually एक choker है. हम इसको अगर properly यहाँ तक पहन लें तो it will look like a choker, and yeah, the earrings are like this with tassel in the end, which look nice. This kind of earrings can be worn with white color kurti or top, or even you can wear it with one piece for beachy look or a boho look. So it looks really very nice. So this is how it looks, and अगर हम यहाँ पहने तो it will completely a choker. Let's move it to the another jewelry. So let me show you the next piece, which is another neck piece only. So the neck piece looks like this. It has the shells with the neck and the pendant kind of thing, and this is a chain with all the stars. This is again a unique piece. So let me show how does it looks after wearing. So this is how the neck piece looks like. ये proper boho style है. इसमें जो ये दिया हुआ है, ये there's half moon, star, all this elements are somewhere related to boho, and this is called celestic or something like that, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, these are the element which comes in that, and it's so pretty. This costed me around 100. So the third neck piece is this is kind of layering, and again same elements in this somewhere. There's no shell in this, but these elements are similar to the other one. So yeah, this is again a nice piece with layers. This is called statement. Seriously, these kind of neck pieces and these kind of earring looks really very nice. This kind of neck pieces like stands out, and this looks really nice. Those were the neck pieces. I have purchased only 3 neck pieces. I don't go and buy randomly. I used to do that a lot previously, but whatever I wanted, I'm very selective nowadays for shopping. So I just picked which I don't have, or I really need, or I want that which is not in my collection right now. So I've picked only 3 of them, and these are from street shopping. I've purchased more earrings, not neck pieces much, because I don't wear neck pieces much. I'm more into earrings and finger rings. So I'm going to show you what I have purchased. So the first is this jhumka kind of earrings. These costed me around 50 rupees, I guess. 50 or 30 rupees. This is how it looks. Has a multicolor thread here, and this is a golden piece. So ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा अगर हम ethnic wear पे पहने तो it will look nice. So these are little floral hoops kind of earring. So this is again ये tops पर casual wearing में बहुत pretty लगेगा. See, यहाँ पे floral prints दिया हुआ है. So the next earring is this, which you have seen in recent video. I'm wearing in that video. So this is how it looks like. So these are another silver jhumkas which I got it. This oxidized jewelry, I have also purchased a nose ring which I have never got and I have never wore. So I'm going to try this for first time. This is a nice cute nose ring, nose piece. Please comment down, am I looking nice with this nose pin? Please comment down and let me know. I'm wearing it for first time in my life. So the next earring are the star shaped metal earrings. जैसे hoops होते हैं circle, वैसे ये star earrings हैं. So next I have these kind of earrings. So the next one is this one. ऐसे जो यूनिक और जो स्टेटमेंट इयरिंग्स होते हैं, ऐसे जस्ट अगर आपने इयरिंग्स भी पहन लिया, इट इज मोर देन इनफ एंड इट लुक्स अ डिफरेंट लुक टू द आउटफिट एंड टोटल योर लुक. सो या इन 30, 50, 40, 100 रुपीज़ में इतनी अच्छी इयरिंग्स. एंड आई हैव परचेज स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग फ्रॉम मुंबई. आप लोगों को पता ही होगा जो मुंबई में रहते हैं, दे गॉट inexpensive earrings, finger rings, 50-100 rupees, and they last for long also. It also depends how does you keep it, but seriously ये काफ़ी टाइम तक चलते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये चीप है तो क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती है. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, क्वालिटी भी काफ़ी अच्छी होती है. अब अपने यूज़ पर हम कैसे रखते हैं चीज़ों को. ऑल्सो परचेज 2 more earrings which are similar to each other, but ये थोड़े कलरफुल है और ये ब्लैक स्टेटमेंट है. So I'm going to show you one of them. So the other earrings are these, blue and yellow, small and the bigger one. Looks like this. So this is another statement earring. ये DIY का collection which really look nice. Beautiful. They have beautiful cute little things in their store, and they do have unique and beautiful earrings in their store. You guys should check it out. So another pair of earring. So ये 65 रुपीज़ के Mr. DIY स्टोर से. So this is what all about the earring collection. Few are from DIY store and few are from local market. So now I have also got some of the finger rings which I'll show you. Finger rings are like this. This is set of 4, silver one. These were silver ones. So I have also got some golden one as well. So that's it. This was the mini jewelry haul I have purchased recently. I felt बहुत सारे लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं comment section में, your earrings are nice, this and that. So I felt let me show you which I have purchased recently. So I just filmed this video for you. अब आप लोगों को पता ही लग गया होगा कि मेरा टेस्ट क्या है, मुझे कैसे earrings या क्या पसंद है ज्वेलरी में. So anyways, I wanted to share something. There is a giveaway going on my channel. Please go and participate in that giveaway. I hope you win, and I want you all to support me and let me grow as a YouTuber. Please support me to grow my channel. We are at 300 right now. Please let's focus to get the 1000 subscribers soon. As you all know, the YouTube threshold is 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours. So please, अगर आप लोग मुझे हेल्प करेंगे, सपोर्ट करेंगे, मेरे वीडियो शेयर करेंगे, लाइक करेंगे, वॉच करेंगे वीडियो, तो मुझे वो थ्रेशोल्ड कंप्लीट करने में आसानी होगी. मुझे ऐसा लगा अब कि मेरे को ज़रूरत है ये बात बोलने की और शेयर करने की कि अगर मुझे ग्रो होना है तो आप लोगों को सपोर्ट करना होगा. आई फेल टू शेयर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई हैव नॉट प्लान दिस. सडनली मेरे दिल में आया कि मैं शेयर कर दूँ ये बात. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू गाइस टू सपोर्ट मी, शेयर माई वीडियोज़. गलती से भी अगर आप ये कोई बॉय अगर ये वीडियो देख रहा है या कोई मैन ये वीडियो देख रहा है, प्लीज़ आप शेयर करें अपने फीमेल फ्रेंड्स के साथ, रेकमेंड कीजिए मेरा चैनल, तो ये ग्रो होने में मुझे बहुत हेल्प होगा. सो प्लीज़ लेट्स सपोर्ट माय चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. प्लीज़ गो एंड फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram, and I want to connect on both Instagram and YouTube channel. So that's it for this video, guys. That is what I just wanted to share with you all, and I want you all to participate in my giveaway. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also on my website. Please go and subscribe my website as well. All the links are in description below. Don't forget to visit Mr. DIY store if it's in your city, and please do check their collection. So thank you for watching this video. Bye. Let's meet on next video.